Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Attorney Sharp Raleigh, and we are going to talk about from Immigration Law Help and the Sharp Raleigh Law Group. We are bringing you a new video on asylum and the green card for asylees. As you know, once you get your asylum application approved, or you after 1 year, you're eligible to file for your green card. Many people don't know that and they let it go, but still they can apply. So you can apply it for 1 year, and after 1 year, when you apply it, usually they backdate it for another for that 1 year, so as if your green card has already started from that year. And in case they don't do that, you can always call them and check on them. That means you get to 1 year towards your citizenship. The reason it's recommended to apply for your green card is, for one, there are the country conditions. If the country conditions change, you might lose your asylum status, and that can actually hurt you because you won't get a chance to do anything good, and you will lose. You might have to leave the country. So the requirements to apply for this is you have been physically present in the United States for at least 1 year after being granted asylum. Is physically present, by the way. So you have to show that. You have to continue to meet the definition of an asylee. That means basically you have to meet there's still, your life is kind of in danger, but they're not that strict on that part. But for children it becomes very important, because if they pass certain age and they're not dependent, they might have to file a non-protecting asylum. That means an asylum on their own. And also, you have not abandoned your asylee status. This is another important thing, because many people don't realize they become asylee, and some of them will even try to travel to the country where they got their asylum, against the country which they got their asylum. So it's not recommended, because for one, it shows that there might no longer be a danger for your life, and two, also you might put your life in danger by going to those countries. And you also have to prove you have not firmly resettled in a foreign country, because some people, while in asylum, they will file for what we call, for example, Canadian immigration, and they get their green card. So that might not be helpful when you file for your green card. And you have to continue to be admissible to the United States. Oftentimes, people don't realize that if they commit a crime, that might actually make them removable, and that becomes a problem or inadmissible. So, in this case, sometimes you might need a waiver, but hopefully, you don't have to do that. Then, for family members, if you're reaching the age of above the age of 21, you might have to file the I-589, and the children has to file their own asylum, basically based on it's a non-proctored asylum. It's always approved, not always, but most of the time it's approved, but they have to go on their own interview questions. So just to let you know, ladies and gentlemen, the point is here, you should file for your green card when you become an asylee and you are eligible for it. And I encourage you to do that. You can use your attorney who have done your case, or you can get another attorney, or you can do it on your own. If you need help, please give us a call, 510-742-5887. And anything we are telling you today is for educational purposes only. You should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. You should contact an attorney if you have any questions. We wish you best of luck.